when you think about responsible AI and you think about the workforce, there's also the side of, do physicians understand probability? Do they understand possibility? Do they understand some of the differences between a deep learning model and a neural network model? At what level do clinicians need transparency in order to sort of go with it? Like most of my colleagues who are internal medicine docs don't know how an MRI machine works. Yet we order MRIs way too often, right? So any thoughts on that before we transition to the very last question?
I don't know. My perspective is sort of like your 15% analogy on Excel. I'm not sure most physicians in their busy lives need to get too deep into the what, but they need to understand the limitations, right? And also, to me, that's the key part, to not over-rely on it, but also see it as a potential tool that can reduce your cognitive burden and help improve your efficiency in your day and honestly your joy of actually caring for your patients, right?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's incumbent on us as informatics technology leaders to vet the products as much as possible. Again, frontline physicians aren't involved in purchase of an MRI machine, right? Unless maybe you're the radiologist, right? I mean, frontline surgeons probably are involved in purchasing a Da Vinci robot, right? I mean, they go out there and they certainly try and push that. I do think there's a certain basal level of education that you're going to have to provide on these tools, but the ins and outs and the drift and what have you, I think that's probably a little bit too technical for most physicians. But I do think that some basal level of education and training is necessary in order to safely use these tools.